In today's fast-moving world of industrial automation, the blending of cutting-edge technologies has unlocked new opportunities for efficiency and innovation. At the forefront of this transformation are artificial intelligence, known as AI, and machine learning, known as ML. Using AI to process data generated by ML is changing traditional industrial processes. It's setting the stage for a new level of productivity. Traditional industrial automation often struggles with inefficiencies and challenges that hold back optimal performance. Manual monitoring and control processes are susceptible to human error and can overlook valuable insights buried within mountains of data. Reactive maintenance strategies result in unexpected downtime, which escalates repair costs and throws production schedules off track. In the end, this impacts the bottom line. AI and ML are game changers. These technologies possess unparalleled capabilities to process and analyze vast amounts of data with lightning speed and accuracy. By tapping into AI and ML, industrial operators can dig out valuable insights hidden within their data. This means they can start making decisions proactively, which drives up operational excellence. At the heart of AI and ML lies the ability to uncover hidden patterns and trends within data. These are patterns that human analysis might overlook. By harnessing this capability, industrial processes can be optimized to achieve streamlined workflows, reduce downtime, and enhance resource utilization. Whether it's fine-tuning production schedules or optimizing energy use, AI and ML take efficiency to a whole new level. One of the most compelling applications of AI in industrial automation is predictive maintenance. By analyzing sensor data and equipment performance metrics, AI can forecast machinery failures before they occur. This proactive approach minimizes unplanned downtimes, reduces repair costs, and prolongs the lifespan of critical assets. It keeps operations running smoothly and boosts overall reliability. In an era where product quality is paramount, AI-powered systems offer a solution for real-time quality control. ML algorithms can inspect products on the fly to detect defects or deviations from specifications with exceptional accuracy. This not only ensures compliance with quality standards, it also prevents defective products from reaching the market. This safeguards brand reputation and customer satisfaction. AI and ML present numerous opportunities for cost savings across industrial operations. For example, these technologies identify inefficiencies and bottlenecks. This leads to optimized energy consumption and streamlined supply chain logistics. The end result is significant cost reductions. By cutting waste and using resources more smartly, businesses can achieve greater profitability. Perhaps the most transformative aspect of AI and ML is their ability to facilitate data-driven decision-making. By analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, these technologies provide valuable insights into process performance, market trends, and customer behavior. By identifying opportunities for process optimization or predicting future demand, AI and ML enable businesses to make informed decisions that drive success and innovation. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning into industrial automation isn't just a technological advancement. It's a strategic imperative for businesses looking to stay ahead. These technologies unlock all kinds of doors, from maximizing efficiency and reliability to minimizing costs and driving decision-making. Use these technologies to give your organization an edge in this new digital age.